morning, you guys. How are you guys doing today? Right now I'm going down the road to deal with some business, but it looks like ready to fall. I hope it don't fall enough. I hope, because who like to go downtown and when it's falling? Not me, because downtown just very enough fun. So when I'm getting ready to leave, I come back and check back on you guys. So I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Yes, you guys, right now I'm on my way to surprise Cleo. She don't know that I'm coming to surprise her right now. And afterwards, we are going downtown to do some shopping. So I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, you guys, I'm about to call her now to see if she reach or not. My girl, you leave out already?
What?
You leave out and ship me already?
Because I'm doing that now.
Oh, alright. So she don't know somebody on the same compound as her. So I'm going to her right now. Because she said she's leaving out right now. You guys, guess what? I thought she was on the same compound, so I ran around to catch her. But by the time we reach upstairs, she gone. So it looked like she got a ride to go downtown right now. So let's see, because Cleo love tell lies sometimes, so she might just take something now. But we will see her soon.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
So I got now we are at a different store. So I buy some else. So when I finish the shopping, I'll come talk to y'all, okay? Alright.
Cut her back.
Yeah. No sir, you guys look on that big drawers there. No sir, sale on Wabai. You guys were just finished shopping. Look for everything I'm buying. And it's just some and everything out about here. And right now we are in Mother's. So just buy a cheese patty. Because I love cheese patty. So may I show you. Because she always like eating them. She come like me. She greedy like me. Yeah, so we're gonna just have our patty. And then we're gonna buy something else and then we'll go home. So I'll see you when I reach home. I'll talk to y'all, okay? Alright. Yes, you guys, right now I'm just coming from Miss Lucas to buy my dinner. When I reach inside, I'm going to show you what I got. And yeah, as per usual, I got fried chicken with curry gravy and rice and peas at Miss Lucas. And did you know that I almost forgot to show you? I was in the middle of it and I said, oh yes, I did show you. So this is what I'm having. So when I finish. Good morning, you guys. Right now I'm walking to meet J. Cool? Y'all must know J. Cool. If y'all don't know, you need to go and check him out. So, I'm just walking to meet him right now. So, the sun is so hot though. But, whew, when I see him, you guys see him as well. So, I'll talk to you guys in a few, okay? Yeah. And a couple more people to come.
Oh.
So, we're just chilling a little bit. But, I'm tired. No fire, me work for no fire. They might discuss this kid.
While I come to us, go see me and go outside and say, "Nobody come look me and come now." And they ask, "I'm telling my girl, I'm flying me again." And she said, "Oh, which party that?"
So, look out for it.
Jake, who like the party not for dead then? I can call my friend them and them thing.
Them love
that's why I go some moment. Next girl come now.
So,
and then do our scene like say, "Oh, Peter get called she, you know." Yeah. Everybody
so,
else are dead then.
You guys would see it.
That up now still that is true. Everybody is finally here. Get a video done. Part it's not all like.
So, the man about how that? What is that? Raisin bread? So this is raisin bread, you guys. What? So, Jay, I buy something. So right now we are walking and looking for spots to do our skit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, jump. So yeah, finish with this skit and we are going home. Let me the sun. Yeah, make sure so when you go nightlife shooters November the 29th at J party. Him name J. Theme party. So make sure you do that. Me I go there now, me I go there. Cause if you go, you go to party.
Well, I like to stay, I request a day from now.
Oh. Yeah, so if you know link up a party with me all night, and if you come, you can all inbox me anywhere on social media there below, and then after I come back from linking up with Jake, we come home and eat dinner. Talking about dinner, what did you guys have for your Sunday dinner? Right now, I'm about to go around the road, the tailor for my pants. So you have to follow me at the tailor. Yes, you all out now. You come follow me to the tailor right now. So after the tailor. Yes, you guys, I'm going to meet my friend Shavagay at our house. She's coming out very shortly, right there. We are going to the tailor and just walk and talk a little bit. And there's a little church service up the road. So, yes, here they are finally ready. Well, for me, they make him cut mine and end it up in charm too. I think it's a customer. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they did it long time.
You know what that can't tell me so yesterday. When you give this.
Shorter than this.
Shorter?
Yeah.
Shavagay.
Like ankle length.
So yes, that's what we're doing right now, you guys. So, good morning, you guys. How are you guys doing today? I just come on this to really end today's vlog because I did get to edit yesterday with Shavagay. So I come on this to end today's vlog, and this morning I woke up and did a simple wash and go look. I was trying to do the waves, but I'm learning. And I'm here with my son. You guys never seen my son before, so I'm going to show you. Skippy! His name is Skippy. Say hi, you guys. See here. Skippy. Say hi. He's not saying hi. So, anyways. So as I said, I'll just basically command this to end today's vlog, and I need to, as usual, I always give my post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes to dope_chick 25. Big up yourself. And also big up this girl. I never get to get her name. She's in my community and she said she wants a shout out on my channel. So big up yourself. I'm gonna give you a shout out because when I came back from the shop I was looking if I saw you to get your name. So I'm sorry. So big up yourself anyways, and thanks for tuning into my vlogs as usual. And our next vlog will be coming soon. Stay tuned. If you're new, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. First of all, I reply to all my comments. Don't be afraid to comment on my videos. I always reply. Also, you can also check out my Facebook page, fan page. The link is in the bio. Add me on Snap. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. So we can be good friends. Can talk. You know? Yeah, we can talk and something. So anyways, I go prepare some breakfast now. Cause I have work soon. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye you guys.